Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I am doing is that I am giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, 93rd video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. And friends, also do not forget to share the video with your family, friends, and relative friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called your constant supply of money. So this was a topic which I covered on the last video, and in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called friends, step up, step up this way to riches. This topic, friends. Okay. So friends, this is 119 number video and the name of the topic is Step Up This Way to Riches. So friends, let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Be bold enough to claim that it is your right to be rich and your deeper mind will honor your claim. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we need to tell that we need to be bold enough to claim that it is our right to be rich and our deeper mind is going to honor our claim, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. You don't want just enough to go around. You want all the money. You need to do all the things you want to do. And when you want to do them, get acquainted with the reaches of your subconscious mind. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling we not only just want to be rich, but we also want to do each and everything what our subconscious mind wants, friends. Okay. And we need to do it and we need to fulfill it by the power of our subconscious mind, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. When money is circulating freely in your life, so your author Joseph Murphy is telling whenever money is circulating freely in our life, you are economically healthy. So at that point of time, we are completely economically healthy, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is saying to us in this topic. Look at money like the tide and you will always have plenty of it. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we should always look at the money as a tide and we are going to have plenty always of it, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is saying to us in this topic. The ebb and flow of the tide is constant. So your author Joseph Murphy is saying the ebb and the flow of the tide is always constant, friends. Okay. When the tide is out, you are absolutely sure that it will return. So whenever the tide is out, and we are completely sure that the tide is going to again return, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Knowing the laws of your subconscious mind, you will always be supplied regardless of what form of money takes. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling by knowing the laws of the subconscious mind, we will always we will be always supplied with the regardless of the money of whatever it takes, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. One reason many people simply make end meet and never have enough money is that they condemn money. So, your author Rasamon is telling that this is a very big reason that many people end with having no money because they always keep on condemning money in their life, friends. Okay. What you condemn takes wings and flies away. So, your author Rasamon is telling that whatever we condemn, it always take the wings and it always flies away, friends. Okay. So, this author Rasamon is sent to us in this topic. Do not make a god of money. It is only a symbol. So your author was some officially we should never make a god of money. It is only a symbol, friends. Okay. Remember that the real riches are in your mind. So your author of some officially we should always remember that the real riches are in our mind, friends. Okay. You are here to lead a balanced life. This includes acquiring all the money you need. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we are here to lead a balanced life by acquiring the all the money we need, friends. Okay. So this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Don't make money your sole aim. Claim wealth, happiness, peace, true passion, and love and personally radiate love and goodwill to all. So the author Rasamaf is telling that we should not make the money our sole aim. We should always aim for wealth, happiness, true peace of expression, and the love. And personally, we should radiate love. And love and good will be always at our point in our life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Then your subconscious mind will give you compound interest in all this field of expression. So your author also of is telling at that point of time our subconscious mind is going to give us compound interest at all the point of time in our life, friends. Okay, so this author Awesome is telling to us on this topic. There is no virtue in poverty. So your author Awesome is telling that there is completely no virtue in poverty, friends. Okay, it is a disease of the mind. So the author of some of is telling that it is the complete disease of our mind, friends. Okay, and you should heal yourself of this mental conflict or madly at once. So the author of some of is telling that we should heal ourselves with a mental conflict or the madly at once, friends. Okay, you are not here to live in a hovel. So the author of some of is telling that we are not here to live at a hovel, to dress in rags, and we are also not here to dress in rags, friends. Okay, or to go hungry, and we are also not here to be hungry, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. You are here to lead life more abundant. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling we are here to live a more abundant life, friends. Okay, never use the term filthy lucre or I despise money. So the author of some of is telling that we should never use the term filthy lucre or I despise money, friends. Okay, you lose what you criticize. This is a very important statement, friends. Okay, so whatever we criticize in our life, we keep on losing those things, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This is nothing good or bad, but thinking of it either lights make it. So the author Rasamov is telling so the author Rasamov is telling that is nothing kind of good or bad, but thinking about it, it creates a light out of it, friends. Okay, so this author Rasamov is telling to us on this topic. Repeat frequently, I like money. I use it wisely, constructively, and judiciously. So, the author Rasamov is telling that we should always repeat frequently that I like money, I use it wisely, constantly, and judiciously, friends. Okay, I realize it with joy, and it return a thousandfold. We should always tell that I realize it with a joy, and it always returns me a thousandfold, friends. Okay, so this author awesome of is telling to us in this topic. Money is not evil anymore. So then copper, lead, tin, or iron, which you may find it in the ground. So the author awesome of is telling money is not a evil anymore. So it's not a evil thing. Copper, lead, tin, or iron, this all may be found in ground, friends. Okay, all evil is due to ignorance and misuse of mind's power. So the author Asimov is telling all the things that are evil that are due to ignorance and the use of the mind's power, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us on this topic. To picture the end result in your mind causes your subconscious to respond and fulfill your mental picture. So, your author Asimov is telling to picture the end result of our mind, it causes our subconscious to respond and fulfill the mental picture, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic. Stop trying to get something for nothing. So, the author Asimov is telling that we should always stop trying to get something for nothing, friends. Okay, there is no such thing as a free lunch. So, the author Asimov is telling the concept of free lunch nowhere exists, friends. Okay, you must give to receive. So, the author Asimov is telling we should always give to receive something. Okay, you must give mental attention to your goal, ideals, and enterprises. So, the author Asimov is telling we should always give a goal to our mental ideals and enterprises, isn't it, friends? And your deeper mind will back you up. So, and also our deeper mind is going to back us up, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic. The key to wealth is application of the laws of the subconscious mind by impregnating it with the idea of wealth. So, your author Asimov is telling the key factor to the wealth is the impregnating our subconscious mind by wealth, and it is going to back us by wealth, friends. Okay, so this author Asimov is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end. In our today's topic, I've covered the concept called set up this way to riches. So this is the topic which I covered on the today's concept. And friends, in our next video, I'm going to start a new concept, and the name of this concept is your subconscious mind as a partner in success. This topic, friends. Okay. So, friends, this topic came to an end, and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. And I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video.